Today we're going to be taking a closer look at these Morimoto XB LED low profile taillights with black housing and smoked lenses for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JLs. If you're aiming for a modern style and enhanced rear visibility without compromising durability, these taillights are a great option, especially if you're looking for that blacked out look or to match other black accents on your JL. These tails feature a slick, low-profile design that gives your JL a sharp, modern look while maintaining a rugged edge. The LED technology is going to deliver a brighter, faster responding brake and turn signals compared to the factory halogens, improving safety and visibility out there on the road. The smoked lens paired with the black housing offers a stealthy, aggressive aesthetic that complements both dark and color contrasting builds. Built with an impact-resistant polycarbonate lens and a durable black ABS housing, these taillights are engineered to withstand harsh conditions and heavy trail use. They're fully sealed to keep out moisture, dust, and debris, so they'll keep performing through water crossings, mudding, and whatever you throw at them for years to come. As far as the pricing goes on these, they're coming in right around that $500 price range for the pair of both tails. These are a premium yet affordable option within the aftermarket taillight category. For this price, you're gonna get a high-end build, advanced LED tech, and a trail-ready design. It's a solid investment for those of you who want long-lasting style and improved function. The installation on these lights is going to be plug and play using your Jeep's factory connectors, so it's rated a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have these installed in 1 hour or less of your time right there in the driveway. Now let's head on out to the shop, and they're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
Tools required for this install include a ratchet, 10mm socket, and a plastic pry tool. What's up guys? Today we're installing some taillights on our Wrangler. First we're going to watch a quick uninstall video showing you how to remove your factory taillights. Now this was shot on a different Jeep, but it's the exact same process. So let's get started.
Alright, so the first step in our install is to grab a trim panel removal tool, and with your back window and tailgate open, on the inside you can access your taillights. Go ahead and put your trim panel tool underneath this tab here and remove this piece of plastic. All right, so with that piece of plastic removed, you can see a small white plastic Torx bolt. We're gonna go ahead and remove that so that we can get the taillight out of the back of the Jeep. Grab a T40 Torx socket and remove this. With the bolt removed, you can now grab your taillight and pull straight towards you. Locate your main connector, pull back on the red tab, press down, and remove it.
So now we're ready to install our new taillight. Now we have our resistor that has a magnet, so I'm going to get that down in there. That's going to be out of the way of the taillight, and stick that down. And then we're just going to plug in our one connector into our body harness. So I'm just going to put this right at the bottom, and then plug this in until you hear the click. And then press the red locking tab down to lock it into place. And then just tuck your wires, slide your taillight into place. So now we're going to take our bolt with a 10mm socket and thread it in from the back. I'm going to get a hand around to hold the taillight in place. Now once my threads are started, I'm going to throw my socket onto my ratchet and tighten that down. Then we can grab our plastic cover and clip that into place and repeat that process on the other side. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the Morimoto XB LED low profile taillights, black housing, and smoked lens for your 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL. Thank you for watching, and for all things Wrangler, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.